back, my friends. I have more work from home job leads for you in the healthcare field. I know a lot of my subscribers have subscribed to me from my past healthcare videos, so I always want to be sharing something that is helpful for you. So if these job leads are not for you, feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. And if you're interested in applying to these, the links are in the YouTube description box below. But the health company Zotec partners, they have 2 different work from home job leads open right now. These are remote within the United States. First up, they have a payment posting specialist position open. Now, a payment posting specialist is responsible for researching payment posting issues when the insurance companies pay and making sure that the payments are applied to the patient's account in a timely and accurate manner. This position will require effective communication with banks, clients, attorneys, and insurance carriers. So you'll need to understand explanation of benefits, knowledge of payment posting processes. You need to have the ability to work within deadlines and high volume conditions. Of course, you need to know how to work the Microsoft Suite, Word, Excel, and Adobe PDF and Acrobat products. You need to be a multitasker, detail-oriented, great verbal and written communication skills. And while they don't require a college degree, a high school diploma or equivalent is required. Now, one thing to note about these positions, pay is always dependent on location and experience. They did not list pay in the job descriptions. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. But the other position they have open is a provider enrollment specialist. So a provider enrollment specialist will be responsible for timely completion of complex government and commercial payer enrollment applications for all states. So providers have to be enrolled in the insurance companies and the payer plans in order to bill claims. You'll be updating and maintaining all necessary documents for assigned clients and physicians, and you'll need to have the ability to proficiently communicate credentialing related claims issues to managers and providers. Again, this is going to require a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree. They do want 2 to 4 years of payer credentialing experience. If you have certification, that is a plus, but is not required. They do want someone who has an understanding of physician billing, someone who can analyze and interpret complex documents, reading between the lines and making out what somebody means by what is said, excellent communication skills, and of course, the ability to multitask and maintain attention to detail. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Sharing is always caring, so if you found these job leads helpful, please like this video. That gives me direct feedback that it was helpful, and share with your friends and family so we can all work from home and live our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.